Hey Chad, how's it going? My name is Josh with Metro East SEO. I work with general contractors in the St. Louis area to do various different services. I do their marketing for them. I'm essentially their marketing guy. And what that means is, like, for instance, you pay for Angie's list leads, right? And I typically try to discourage my contractors from using Angie's list simply because you run the risk of just throwing money out the window, right? You pay them and then they send you leads, but those leads might not even pan out, right? And then what they do is they kind of send leads to people based on how much money they're spending. So if you're not spending what the other competitor is spending, you might lose out on that. And so what I try to do is help people build up their website and their essentially the assets that they own, right? With Angie's List, you don't own their lead generation service. With your website, you own this website. This is yours, right? So to give you an example of like a competitor website, right? This is vogelheating.com. They are ranking right now in the St. Louis area. A big part of why they're ranking is because they have keyword-rich content, right? That they're ranking on. They've got a lot of good content. Their website's good too. It's installed on a platform that I use. Some things that they could do better on is this phone number is not click to call, which needs to be. But then the same goes for yours as well. Your phone number is not click to call, right? This needs to be click to call. Available 24/7 is good. You need to establish on the website that this is your normal business hours and that emergency services are available, right? Emergency services need to be displayed on the site. Like emergency services available 24/7, right? That way people get this understanding that it's going to cost extra if you got to come out on a Saturday and Sunday, right? So those are just some tips and tricks. We've got your basic content here, which is it's good. It could use some more content to be able to rank on Google. And I use a tool. So like if we go to check out your air conditioning, site here, there's decent content here. It's just not location specific, right? If you're not location specific on your content, right, then the people in your area that are searching for what you do are going to end up finding other people to do the work, right? And so if we go to a tool that I use called Ahrefs, and it's a marketing tool, this shows you the health of your website and your overall traffic that's coming through it. So right now Google's giving you a domain rating of 0. This could be because this might be a new website. You might have just built this, right? Because you've got a low amount of backlinks and a low amount of referring domains and just a small amount of organic keywords that you're ranking on. Right now it looks like you're having one person per month coming to your site. That could be me. It just kind of depends, right? And so if we kind of look at how can we make this better, right? Let's look at your competitor site and what they're doing, right? They've got a domain rating of 25, which is good. Google sees their website and gives them a ranking from 25 out of 100, and that's based on their backlink profile and the strength of their website as well. They've got 1,200 backlinks with 254 referring domains, and they've got 675 organic keywords that they're ranking for. And they're also paying for Google Ads. This 24 means that there are 24 keywords that they're paying to rank for. I don't particularly care for Google Ads because that's also another predatory service like Angie's List, is that you could pay them a ton of money and you could just be throwing money out the window. So if we go and click on their what they're paying for, right? They're paying for Franklin HVAC, right? And every time somebody, well, I guess it doesn't show their cost per click there, but for instance, Iceman Cooling and Heating, every time somebody clicks on that ad, it costs them $7. That person might not even buy their service, right? Like they might not even be interested in what they're doing, right? And some other competitor could be just clicking on those ads, racking up the costs, right? So if we look at like some other things that they're ranking for that's specific, right? I don't know why they're paying for this stuff. I mean, like they're throwing money out the window. Mike's Heating and Air, Lewiston, Idaho. Like, why would they want to rank for that keyword to a website that's in St. Louis, right? I don't know, right? Heating and Air, Douglas, Georgia. They're paying $25 every time somebody clicks on that to toss them to their St. Louis website. They're wasting money, right? I should go to them and tell them that they're wasting their money, but I'd rather work with somebody who is who's local, who is not such a huge conglomerate that they are, right? You can obviously tell that these guys like have a series of trucks that go out and they're flying, right? They're bringing a lot of people to their website. They don't need, they don't need a person to come through and help them bring up their organic traffic, right? This is a big deal. It's organic traffic. 641 unique visitors to their website per month. I want to be able to get that for you, right? And so the way that I do that is like I would kind of do an overhaul on a website to be able to put keyword-rich content on here. And I have content developers that I pay that will develop keyword-rich content, changing things a bit to kind of make it so that, like, this is a click-to-call, click-to-call up here. Oh, you do have a click-to-call up here. That's good. It's up here on that page here. So if we go back to your home page, no click-to-call on the home page. It needs to be there. It needs to be up at the top. You got it down here. It's not terrible, but it's when people are searching on the internet, like for on their phone, it's like their AC's out and their house is 90 degrees. I need somebody now. They want to look on their phone and it pops up and they can just hit that button and call and be like, hey, can you guys get out here like right now and fix my AC unit? And you'd be like, absolutely I can, right? That's what you want. And you want to really target those people who are looking for that. And so these are some things that you can do yourself. You could develop keyword-rich content, but like I said, like I pay developers to do that. And so it's up to you, like where do you want to take your business? Like, do you want to be that guy who just has multiple trucks and multiple HVAC specialists that go out and do all the work and you're just kind of farming that out, or, are you just looking to kind of slowly grow your business? It's one of those things where it's like, all right, if you put effort towards certain things, you can grow your business organically and build up your website so that it's an asset that's worth a lot of money to you. And so if you want to talk more, go through more of a deep dive, let me know. And, I'd love to be able to help you out. So we will hopefully talk again. Thanks.